Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make a chart in MS Excel. For this, first of all, type Excel in the search box. You can use 2019 Excel also. You can use 2000, whatsoever version you are having. Just try with that one. Like I will just show you in the 2007, right? So here you can write down your own data of which you want to have the chart. I have already just typed all the data, so I'm just copy paste here. So just double click on this one. Now select the range of which you want to have the chart. Then click on insert. So certain options are coming. I will try with the column chart, that is 2D column chart. Just simply drag over to the blank location and then stretch it out from the corner, and the two arrow represents here that you can just modify the chart and just enhance the width and the height of the chart. See, it's changing. Now you can just change the chart styles, like you can change this one, this green, this blue. Okay, also the layouts can be changed like this. Whatsoever you prefer, you can just change it. So let's change the chart type. So let's try this pie chart. Okay, so here also you can change the color, style, design. The layout also can be changed. Personally, I prefer this one. Here every color is depicting the certain data of this, so you can just change it out. Likewise, you can also change or switch the row and column. Okay, that's all in this video. Goodbye and good luck.